We are currently operating more than 26 countries across the globe. So we want to provide a sustainable solution for rural unemployment. So we are welcoming you to visit our farm. Hi everybody, I am Jaykumar from Pioneer Aquaculture Consultants. We are Chennai based aquaculture consultants. We are currently operating more than 26 countries across the globe. We have more than 30 years experience, on-hand experience, and operating successfully several projects. And we would like to give a lot of information about aquaculture and related field. So we have started this channel called Planet Fish. This may be useful for all viewers. So you can ask any question, or if you have any doubt on this field, you are welcome to. And also we have small farm project, R&D plant we have, that is located near Chennai city. From Chennai it is just 45 kilometer. Anybody interested to know about more about aquaculture, they are welcome to our farm, visit our farm. In our farm we have three major micro units. Actually these three are the major component of the aquaculture. Number one is our hatchery. In the hatchery we are producing different species of fishes, crab and also shrimp. And apart from that we have nursery also. Once we produce the seed, that will be transferred to the nursery tanks. 15 days we will keep it in the hatchery, and after that it will be transferred to nursery. There we will keep it up to 30 days to 60 days. We will raise up to fingerling stage. After attaining the fingerling stage, we will transfer to grow out pond. Grow out pond up to harvest, the seeds will be remains there. After harvest we will market. That is the cycle of aquaculture. So we have all three components of the aquaculture units. So if you are interested to visit our farm, you are welcome. You please come, and with prior appointment, you just fill the application form which we will send it to you. Once you send your inquiry by mail, we will send it to you. You just fill the form and get the appointment, and you are welcome to visit our farm. So in that we will give you a live demo about fish farming, crab farming, shrimp farming, and aquarium fish rearing, all these things, breeding, all those things. And also if you want to do some project, aquaculture, small aquaculture project, then we will guide you, and we will give the preliminary discussion or customized designing of how to design, how to implement your project, and what are all the major things we have to think about the project, and what are all the major factors we have to consider. Everything we will explain you. So we are welcoming you to visit our farm. So we need your support, continuous support, to encourage our activities. So we want to improve the our aim is to improve the rural based economy, rural based sustainable economy. So for that we need this aquaculture. We are thinking this aquaculture can make the sustainable solution for the villages. So we welcome you to send your inquiries. Actually rural based economy is mainly employment, rural employment, cutting down the urbanization issues, and then rural economy development, and also rural environment development. So when we are stocking the water in so lot of water bodies in all rural areas, naturally the groundwater table will increase always. Maybe within we can find out the result within 10 years, 1 decade time, the groundwater table will be increased. And apart from that, the rural people can easily get some localized job. So they will be satisfied, their livelihood will be maintained. They can get a very good livelihood, and they need not to explore job and go to the urban area and crowded environment, they need not to go. So they can simply stay in their village and they can earn some sustainable income. So they are getting good employment, the rural economy is developing, groundwater table is increasing, thereby the water shortage issues are gradually reduced, and also nutritionally valuable food is available for common man. So these are all the major factors which are providing sustainability, rural based sustainability. So we are focusing mainly to improve this kind of thing across the globe, not only in India. We want to go across the globe to provide livelihood for the rural poor and also rural based people. So this is our aim. So we want to provide a sustainable solution for rural unemployment, rural underdevelopment of the rural area, and malnutrition, and ecological and water based issues we want to avoid. So for that we are suggesting this field is a potential tool to change the scenario, entire scenario. So we welcome you all to visit our farm to explore more opportunities and a lot of untapped market opportunities and business potential is there. So we are welcoming you to visit our farm, and we will explain how to proceed the business. We will give customized solution for every individual, need based solution we will provide, so that you can get a very clear picture about your business, and it is one of the potential business, so you can proceed. You will get very good income in this. At least 60% of your returns, annual return you will get. Whatever investment you are doing, you will get 60% annual return. So this is the fact. So we will guide you how to do properly. Our main aim is to minimize your production cost and maximize your productivity, and reduce your risk factors. So you are welcome to our farm to explore more opportunities. We are happy to meet you all through our channel. You please contact us for further details. Please see the description below and send me an enquiry mail. So we will send the application form. Just to fill the form and send it back to us. We will reply you very soon. And with a prior appointment, if you come, we can spend more time, and we can explain very well to you to provide more better service. So we are always expecting your valuable enquiries. Thank you.